Yes guys, and welcome back to our channel DIY Mix Vlog. And for this video I wanna show you our cheapest hatcher cage for our homemade incubator. Homemade egg incubator. This is our cheapest way of making hatcher cage to be used in the hatcher when for the last 3 days of the eggs being incubated in the incubator. Okay, this is how it goes. And I anticipate for I'll be having a viewers from uh, international audience. I just wanna have it this in English, so you I could somehow impart a uh, idea with regards of this cheapest um, hatcher cage that we oftenly make here in the Philippines. So that's how it goes. We're using plywood, scrap plywood, and this plastic screen. This is the cheapest plastic screen that you can have in your local stores nearby. So you have just to attach this and fix this using the gun tack or manual gun tacker. Okay, that's how it goes, and there you go. Whenever you already finished crafting this one, it would be very comfortable and very and it would be very cost efficient with regards of making stuff like this for our eggs and our part of our incubator. Okay, here goes the finished product. As you can see, yeah, this will only cost uh, small of your expenses for the incubator making expenditures. Like this, so that this is very simple, cost efficient, and it will save you a lot of money for making such as this for your incubator project. All right, so there goes. This is a 126 capacity in the seater, and hopefully this hatcher cage will be a lot more than 126 capacity in the seater. Okay, hoping this would be very spacious for the chicks when they come out from the eggs from their shells. Yes. Okay, feel free to comment down with regards of this project, or if ever you need to share your ideas for that will enhance for the enhancement of this project that I showed up. Okay guys, so if you have never been in my channel, please consider subscribing. It would be a very it would be a helpful thing, so we can create more videos and share such ideas like this and so much more. So please consider subscribing DIY Mix Blog.